Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain. Waduh. Honorable Dr. Haji Hanifuddin Madun and Honorable Dr. Haji Hairudul Dawati, Asal Director of Pesantren Perkemahan Banifja, ex-Muslim teacher, and ex-Muslim parents, and my friend. Good day, I want to present imagination map. Here. The title is Clogging is a defense mechanism of the body in the respiratory system. The occurrence of clogging is only a symptom of a disease or the body reaction to disorders in the respiratory tract by various foreign objects that enter it. Clogging occurs due to certain stimuli. Clogging is an early symptom of influenza and asthma. In addition, clogging is the first way to spread tuberculosis. Clogging can be caused by allergies in the respiratory tract. This allergy can appear due to stimulation from food, dust, animal hair, or pollen on flower. Stimuli that cause clogging are generally in the upper part of the respiratory tract. Clogging is divided into acute cough and chronic cough. Acute cough is a cough that lasts no more than 3 weeks. Most acute cough will heal on their own. Subacute cough is a cough that lasts for 3 until 8 weeks. Meanwhile, chronic cough is a cough that occurs for more than 8 weeks. Most often occurs in smokers, pulmonary tuberculosis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or gastroesophageal reflux disease (GERD). Most will recover or at last improve significantly within 2 weeks. If you have a cough that does not improve within the time, see a doctor, as this may be symptoms of a more serious problem. If additional improve within the time symptoms develop, contact your doctor as soon as possible. Symptoms to watch out for include fever, chest pain, headaches, drowsiness, confusion, clogging of blood, or difficulty breathing. Requires immediate emergency medical attention. In addition, there are several other reasons to see a doctor immediately. If you have cough, including cough getting worse, swelling or lumps in the neck, wake, loss, difficult swallowing, permanent voice change, difficult breathing, cough is one type of disease that can cure using herbs and medicine. Cough can be cured by drinking honey mixed with boiled lime juice. This mixture of honey and lime is drunk 3 times a day. The cough stops until the cough stops. Cough can also be treated by consuming pomegranate fruit and seeds. Ginger and turmeric contained in both species can help reduce cough. Cough can also be cured by drinking boiled African live water. Okay, thanks for attention. I'm sorry for all my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.